What is good, YouTube? It's boy Fletch back here again with another video, man. I'm trying my best to do weekly uploads for you guys. Can't upload every day, but I'm gonna try to do weekly uploads. I mean, that's something we could work with. It's consistency and it's a routine. But today's video, I'm just gonna do just exhaust sounds in cabin and out exterior of the Drift Dialects. Currently they are 3-inch, the mufflers are 3-inch inlet with a 4.5-inch outlet connected to my stock exhaust piping. Recently I found, it looks like a DC Sports exhaust. I believe that's 2 3/4 or 3 inches. I'm not too sure, but they're selling it for dirt cheap on Marketplace. So I'm about to grab that and then have these 3-inch mufflers attached to that, because the price that he's selling that for is going to be way cheaper than what the shop's going to charge me to do a full 3-inch. Yeah, 3 inches is going to make it a little bit louder and better airflow for the exhaust as well. But I'm doing too much talking. Let me just get you some revs real quick and then yeah. Yeah. Like deep, like growl. I don't know. I just love how that shit sounds. Like it makes me It makes me like not want to get a downpipe. But my boy Zay is selling PRL high flow downpipe. I was thinking of getting that in a PRL front pipe and then grabbing that. I think it was either boiler or DC Sports, whatever one comes bigger diameter. It looks like a 3-inch exhaust, bro, that he's selling on Facebook Marketplace for under $300. So that would be like the cheapest way for me to be full 3-inch. I feel like the 3-inch will make it a little bit louder. Hopefully not too crazy, because I like it how it is now. It would be nice if it was a little louder, like to hear my pops and my burbles and all that. See, but it doesn't sound bad at all. It sounds good. Look good and they sound good. They just, yeah, I have a stock still don't have a resonator on here. The 3-inch that I found has a resonator on it. It looks like a bottle style resonator. So yeah, this might be for like tone. Yeah, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoyed the sound. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm on some Dante shit right now. Camera on the dashboard. I'm on some Dante shit. I don't know how you be doing this. Yeah, man. Hope you guys enjoy this video, man. Bro, I don't know how he vlogs with this shit on the camera and static cars, bro. God damn, this sun blinded me, bro. Yo, Tay-Wavy, I don't know how you do it, bro, with these cameras on the dashboard. Some bad shit. God damn. Damn, I lost my train of thought. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, man. Comment, like, and subscribe. It's a quick little video, man, but just stay tuned for the next upload, man. I'm about to start trying to do weekly uploads, bro. I know I've been going crazy on posting YouTube shorts. I get a lot of hate on my YouTube shorts. I get a lot of hate in general, bro. Like, some dudes just reaching yesterday saying I got damage on my left rear wheel well. There's no damage, Papa. Like, what are you looking for? I made a whole video of getting my exhaust done. You over here examining the car for damage? Like, yo, get a life, bro. Y'all be glazing me heavy, bro. But those y'all that don't glaze, man, show love and support, man. I love y'all. Keep being great. Yeah, man. Till the next time, man. Peace.